difference a day can make, a week can make. It always changes for the better.
Well, in the long run, yeah, hopefully that is going to continue as we head into the weekend. We're going to get rid of the rain chances for a while.
Good.
So after yesterday, I think that's thumbs up for a lot of folks. There's another hurricane out there, or soon-to-be hurricane. Jose is technically a tropical storm with 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds, but it's expected to reach hurricane status over about the next 36 hours or so, and then it turns to the north. The official forecast path keeps it off the east coast of the U.S., but that cone of uncertainty still includes portions of the east coast. We're going to take a deeper dive into the specifics of where Jose is and where it's going to go coming up on News 4 at 6 o'clock. In the meantime, we're still getting rid of the remnants of Hurricane Irma. The last of the showers finally moving out of the mid-state. Some pockets of mist and drizzle in northeastern Middle Tennessee throughout the day today, and more cloud cover, which has kept your temperatures quite a bit cooler as well. The rest of us have seen a mix of clouds and sunshine. Once the sun finally burned through, we've been seeing plenty of it, enough to push temperatures up into the low 80s for official highs in Nashville. Got up to 83 degrees this afternoon, which is almost exactly normal for this time of year. Of course, now the sun dipping a little bit lower in the sky, those sunset times before 7 o'clock, now that we have reached the almost tipping point from summer into fall. I say almost because, well, we're not there yet officially, and because it's not going to feel very much like autumn over the next few days. It's not bad out there right now. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s to around 80 degrees. We're at 79 degrees in Nashville, 80 in Smyrna, 78 degrees in Murfreesboro, but we open the window a little wider, you can see more variation. Only 70 in Burkesville and Crossville, but low to mid, even upper 80s on the Tennessee River, where you've seen more sunshine throughout the day. At 79 degrees in Nashville isn't bad at all for a mid-September evening. The mugginess is a little bit noticeable. Let's take a look at where temperatures are going to go, then we'll get to the humidity. Temperatures this evening drop down to around 70 by 10 o'clock in the evening. Will continue falling overnight. I'll get out of the way here so you can see where we end up by early tomorrow morning. That'll be in the lower half of the 60s, maybe if you're real lucky in the upper 50s. Some patchy fog possible to start the day, but once that's gone, temperatures start warming up and at a faster pace than what we saw today. Temperatures will be up to around or even above 80 degrees already by noon. Then we'll be into the low to mid 80s for high temperatures during the afternoon. Of course, the warmth is one thing. The mugginess is something else. There's enough humidity to notice right now. Those dew point numbers, that's the important number that we use in the muggy meter that I'll show you in a second. Be around 60 tomorrow morning. It's not bad, but watch where they go as we head through the afternoon. Back up into the low to mid 60s for those dew points by the afternoon hours, and that's not exactly where we want to be. We're not talking July and August levels of heat and humidity, but still, we'd rather be down in the 50s for that dew point. Instead, we're going to be in the mid 60s, which is kind of the middle ground on the muggy meter, and that trend is going to continue as we head into the weekend. So far, the first 2 weeks of September, we've had the cooler than normal air. Well, out west, it's been very warm. We're going to flip that around for the next several days. Our temperatures are going to be above average all the way through the middle of next week. Well, they're going to get a little bit of relief from the above average temperatures in the Rocky Mountains, and hopefully that'll help the wildfires that have been burning for quite a while in that part of the country. Around here, no rain in sight for the next several days. I can't rule out a rogue shower over the weekend, but our rain chances are less than 20% tomorrow all the way through Tuesday, and then just that 20% chance Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures running in the mid to upper 80s each day, and overnight low temperatures a little above average because of the mugginess, staying in the mid 60s. So summer isn't quite done with us just yet.
All right, Paul, thanks. Well, get out your gold and blue and get your Fang